how has what you saw at INL today changed your thinking about or increased your confidence in SR-1 and getting that launched by the end of 2028?
It really did, and I think seeing so many of the commercial companies that hit that absolutely unbelievable mark. 3 out of 4 of the critical reactors that went critical by the 4th of July happened at INL, and you see the time frames. I mean, the first one we stopped at was a rating on that one that said we have to set up shop, get through our test profiles, and get out of the dome within a year. I mean, that's the turnaround times we have in White Sands for some of our hyper-mid testing chambers. So, like, that is incredibly confidence-inspiring. Then you walk, I don't know, 100 yards, and you're talking to another commercial company doing the same thing. Then, obviously, we all had an opportunity to see some of the work that has been done already out here at INL since SR-1 has been announced. And that's fast. Everybody's moving very quickly. The government programs are moving very fast. Commercial industry that's working alongside the DOE is moving very fast. And you can see we already have a lot of NASA personnel embedded in it. It was all very confident.
Anything else? I have a question for Secretary Hamel. Hold on, we're going to go. Okay, I'll come back to you.
Piggybacking off of Jeff's question for the administrator, in the last stop we made, where we saw the reactor, the Valkyrie, that's being pushed forward for SR-1 Freedom, based off of what you were hearing today and some of the other conversations that you've had with the company, what questions do you still have, and what are some of the things that you want to see within the next 6 months to a year to make sure that that timeline stays on track for a launch in 28?
I think there's certainly questions on the autonomy for the reactor operation, but I would say most of it is probably going to shift back into NASA's court. I think building the spacecraft and helping them test it, as they mentioned, they're very good at building reactor systems. They understand the environment it's going into. They don't typically put it on top of a rocket, where now you have all the environmental considerations coming into play. So a lot of NASA leadership was out here. Amit was, of course, our associate administrator. He's already mobilizing a lot of our resources, potentially bringing some of our test equipment out from some of the other centers here to start making its way through environmental testing, and then obviously spacecraft structures. But I'm coming away feeling very good about the INL and DOE contributions, thinking a lot more about what we can do on the NASA end to ensure timelines are met.